Today, we're keeping it short and powerful because some days you don't have a lot of time, but you still want to show up for yourself before the day takes over. This is your quick hit session for an amazing day. Not a good day, not a fine day, an amazing day where things flow, where you perform at your best, where you stay open to things going even better than you planned. This whole session doesn't take so long, and the energy it creates can shift everything that follows. So let's do this. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly through your nose. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, set your intention for the day, not just what you want to accomplish, but how you want to feel moving through it. At the top of your game, flowing, open, excited, joyful, grateful, ready for good things. The ones you can see coming and the ones that are going to surprise you completely. Let yourself feel for just a moment what an amazing day actually feels like in your body. The lightness, that energy, that quiet confidence that today is going to be magnificent. Let that feeling be your starting point. Now take a breath in and open your eyes. So this is EFT tapping, emotional freedom techniques known as tapping. So all you have to do is tap where I tap and say what I say. So repeat after me. Even though I'm not sure today is going to be amazing, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. Even though part of me is already bracing for the day, instead of opening up to it, I choose to love and honor myself and set a different intention right now. Even though I sometimes forget that I get to choose how this day goes, I choose to deeply and completely love and accept myself. And I'm choosing amazing starting right now. I choose to have an amazing day. I'm not entirely sure what that looks like yet, but I'm open to it. I'm open to the things I expect and wide open to the things that surprise me. I'm even open to miracles today. I choose to allow so much good into my life today. I deserve an amazing day. I choose to be at the top of my game today. Everything flowing, everything working. The effort I put in feels almost effortless because I feel so good. Great performance just flows through me naturally. I choose to feel great today. I choose to do great today. I choose to allow great things into my life today. Expected things and things that blow my mind. I am worthy of an amazing day. I deserve this. And I'm not just hoping for it. I am creating it. Right now, in this moment. Success feels easy today. Good things are finding me. And I'm open and ready to receive them. I am performing at my highest level. In everything I do today. I'm allowing this day to be truly amazing. For me and for everyone I come into contact with. I choose to have an amazing day. I am creating an amazing day. I am allowing an amazing day. Everything is flowing. Everything is working. I am at the top of my game. And I am open to being wonderfully surprised by just how good today gets to be. I am worthy of this. I deserve this. I am choosing this. An amazing day. A magnificent day. In every sense of the word. I am allowing it fully. In my body. In my mind. And in my soul. I choose to have an amazing day. And so it is. Today is amazing. I am amazing. What I do today is amazing. How I show up today is amazing. And what flows back to me today is going to be amazing. Close your eyes and breathe in slowly. Hold it and let it go. With your eyes still closed, feel the energy of this intention sitting in your body right now. Not as a wish, as a decision. You just decided today is amazing. You just chose to show up at the top of your game, open to good things, ready to receive what's coming. And what's coming is going to surprise you. Carry, carry this feeling with you as you step into your day. You set the tone. You made the choice. Now go live it. Take a breath in and open your eyes. Those few minutes you just spent setting your intention are some of the most valuable minutes of your entire day because how you start your day shapes everything that follows. The energy you bring into the morning ripples through every conversation, every decision, every opportunity that crosses your path. You just chose amazing. Now go show the day what that means. Make sure you drink water after tapping, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for doing the work.